In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can change your font and your font size on your mobile phone. So the first thing you'll need to do is, obviously from your home screen here, what you need to do is head over to your settings. Once you click on settings, you will need to scroll down to general management. So if you just scroll down, you will find it near the bottom of the page. As you can see there is an option for general management. If you click on this, what you can do from here is literally scroll all the way down to the bottom. Once you scroll down to the bottom, as you can see, it says looking for something else. There will be an option there for font size and style. And if you click on font size and style, you will be brought over to this section. So you can click on font style, and here you have a couple of fonts already installed on your Samsung device. So you can click on Samsung One if you want to use that. And as you can see, you'll get a preview of what it will look like. You can make this bold if you want to do that. And you can also change the size of the font. But if you want to go back, what you can do is you can also click on download fonts, which will take you over to your Galaxy Store. And here is where you can go ahead and buy fonts or get the ones that are free. So that's how easy it is to change your font style on your phone. Please leave a like, comment down below if this did help you out, and I'll see you in the next video.